Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to enable key repeat functionality in Visual Studio Code on Windows. If you've ever wondered how to make a key repeat when held down while coding in VS Code, you're in the right place. Let's get started and configure your editor for a smoother experience. To enable key repeat when pressing and holding a key in Visual Studio Code on Windows, you can adjust the following settings. Make sure your operating system's keyboard repeat settings are configured correctly. Open Control Panel. Keyboard. Adjust the repeat delay and repeat rate sliders. Visual Studio Code itself doesn't have a direct toggle for key repeat behavior, as this is typically controlled by your system settings. If key repeat isn't working, it might be an issue with your OS or keyboard configuration. That's all for today's tutorial. Now you can easily press and hold a key to make it repeat in Visual Studio Code on Windows. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.